A few days ago, I introduced you to the exciting process of creating engaging animated anime videos that can attract millions of views on Instagram. If you missed it, feel free to check out that video for more detailed insights. Today, I'll guide you through creating relaxing animated videos, similar to those popular Instagram accounts that captivate audiences with their soothing visuals. Let's dive into this creative journey together. Recently, I stumbled upon some mesmerizing Instagram videos featuring beautifully designed living rooms. At first glance, I genuinely thought these were real spaces, perfectly curated to evoke comfort and style. However, after taking a closer look, I realized that all of these stunning visuals were AI generated. Intrigued by this discovery, I explored the Instagram page further and was astonished to find it boasting nearly 10 million followers. The videos were racking up tens of millions of views, some even surpassing the impressive mark of 100 million. It's evident that this page is making tens of thousands of dollars every month from these captivating videos. This revelation sparked my curiosity, prompting me to investigate how these videos are created. To my surprise, I found that the process is incredibly straightforward, and the best part is, you can make them entirely for free. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to create these relaxing animated videos. Whether you're looking to start your own faceless Instagram page or use them as backgrounds for your faceless lo-fi music channels. Step 1. Using an AI image generator. Creating these videos is made easy thanks to the incredible tools available through AI. You can use any AI image generator you prefer, but I highly recommend Midjourney as one of the top options for generating high-quality visuals. If you're seeking a free alternative, Leonardo is an excellent choice, offering 150 free credits every day, which is more than sufficient for your needs. Begin by generating images of living rooms featuring large floor-to-ceiling windows. For this, use the Leonardo diffusion model. I've crafted a prompt you can customize to suit your preferences, but the essential element is to ensure that the room has double-height ceilings and expansive windows. Once your image is ready, don't forget to upscale it using Leonardo's built-in upscale image function to enhance its quality. After that, download the room image and generate a separate background image to go behind the windows, again using the same AI tool. Make sure to upscale and download this background image as well. Step 2. Cutting out the windows. With your images in hand, the next step is to cut out the windows from the room image. If you have access to Photoshop, that's fantastic. However, if you're looking for a free alternative, Photopea is a great browser-based option that works similarly to Photoshop. Upload your room image and use the polygonal lasso tool to carefully trace and remove the window sections. If you encounter tricky areas like around a couch, the magic wand tool can help select and cut out those parts more efficiently. Once you've completed the cutouts, export the image as a PNG to preserve the transparency. Step 3. Adding snow effects and editing. Now it's time to bring your scene to life with some animated effects. For this part, you'll need a video editing program, and I highly recommend CapCut due to its user-friendly interface and free access. Upload the room image with the cutout windows, along with the background image you generated earlier. To enhance the atmosphere, search for a snow green screen video on YouTube, download it, and upload it to CapCut. Position the snow video between the background and the room layers to create a cohesive scene. To remove the green background from the snow video, utilize CapCut's chroma key feature. Adjust the settings until all the green is eliminated, and then desaturate the video so the snowflakes appear crisp and white. If the snowflakes seem too large or sparse, you can duplicate the snow layer to cover the entire screen, creating a more immersive effect. Step 4. Adjusting the background lighting. If you find that your background image is too bright, you can easily adjust the brightness within CapCut. This step will help create a cozier, dimmer atmosphere, enhancing the overall ambiance of your video. Once you've fine-tuned the brightness to your liking, it's time to export the video. Step 5. Adding a fireplace, optional. For those who want to add an extra touch of warmth and coziness to their videos, consider including a fireplace. Search for a fire green screen video on YouTube, download it, and upload it to CapCut. Use the same chroma key method to remove the green background from the fire video, then scale it down to fit naturally inside the fireplace. You can crop the top of the fire to create the illusion that it is indeed inside the fireplace, adding realism to your scene. Step 6. Final edits and exporting. Since these videos will be shared on platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok, you'll want to set the video aspect ratio to 9:16 for optimal viewing. Additionally, you can add motion to the video by using keyframes, allowing it to move from left to right across the screen. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your edits, export your final video. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the final result of our hard work. If you found this tutorial useful and want to see more tips on generating income with AI-generated content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.